it is. Baddest scooter on the planet. Got a 100cc build. Goes 50 miles per hour if you're a skinny guy. Now this is what makes it cool. Doesn't that look just like the old style hippie bedroll? Oh, it's so comfy to your back. What really makes this scooter cool is the lean back backrest on there. And it's nothing but a pillow rolled up with some twine and a bungee cord. And you attach it to the luggage rack. And you lean back on it. If you got a sore back, it is so nice. Oh, that feels good. This is a 2024 scooter for sale. It's seriously for sale. I want $2,500 for it. It's got a 100cc big bore kit, every kind of goodie that's for racing you can imagine. Racing cam, carbon fiber muffler, 20mm carburetor with 105 main jet, and countless other goodies installed. It's got 10-gram rollers and a racing variator, and it will go pretty near 50 miles an hour. Be first. You know you want it. Everybody wants one. Oh, that feels good.